Well, good day. Here we are at the back of the Mark II. You can see my efforts here to remove the old Panhard mount, and what a job that was. The installation of the old Panhard mount wasn't very pretty to look at, but I will say whoever replaced it the first time around did a really good job of securing it. It was a real battle. This is about 3.5 solid hours of constant cutting and fitting and grinding. So tomorrow will be time to clean up all this rust, grind down any rough edges, anything like that, and fit the new piece in, which so far looks like it's going to be pretty darn good. I'm going to weld in some new metal here and reconstruct the spring frame from the inside to the outside. There's 2 or 3 layers of metal here, so I'll be doing that, and once I get that done, I'll be fitting in the new Panhard mount, and hopefully everything will pan out here. I don't see any problems, other than it's just going to take a bit of patience and a bit of time in that. So that's all for today. Well, good morning. This is Grandpa Gary again, working on the Jag Mark II, and today we're going to be rebuilding the right rear frame support for the Panhard fixture, which is temporarily situated right here for now. I have to take some pretty careful measurements to locate this Panhard fixture. I have to make sure that the rear axle assembly is parallel to the front and that, but right now I've got part of the support reconstructed. Today will be a situation where I have to put another plate in here. This frame section is all laminated. There's actually 2 separate pieces that comprise the frame that this Panhard fixture fits into from below. So what I have to do now is I'm going to cut an 8 1/4 inch long piece of 18 gauge steel and weld that rectangle in here, also leaving an extra 1 1/8 inch on the bottom here, a fold, to allow me to drill some holes so that I can bolt the Panhard fixture to this flange here. So the first order of business is right here. I have to finish tying this in with some stitch welds here and that, and then where this lip is right here, that's where my patch piece will fit in, and I'll bring it back. I'll fold to reinforce this flange here. So there's essentially 2 flanges, and they're going to be spot welded plug welded together. And then after all of this piece is installed, I'm going to install another piece of let's see, what would that be? I think it's 16 gauge metal I have here, because these flanges here and this plate need to be strong so that I actually can put the jacking point from below. The jacking point will fit in here, and this structure on the frame has to support the jacking point. So I got to make sure that I actually have enough strength and rigidity in there to support the jacking point. It'll all make sense when you see me putting it all together in that. So yeah, and then later I have to explain how I'm going to locate this precisely by taking some measurements, but I'll leave that for a later video. So that's it for now. I'm going to sign off, and then I'm going to start my welding, and I'm going to fabricate this next section that I want to put in here. Well, we'll see. I'll have to get the grinder here. I've got to put one more spot right in here.